Okay, we're going to navigate to page 4. So we're going to click on the pages, panel, and we're going to click, you'll notice that 4 is actually on the left side of the first spread. So we're going to double click on page 4, and that brings us back up to the original spread. Okay, we're going to go back to our layers panel and click on the text. We're going to create some text. So we're going to click on the text tool, and we're going to place our pointer right at the left corner upper margin, and we're going to click and we're going to drag and we're going to span it over 2 columns on the left side of the gutter. We're going to make our text frame about 1 inch high, so when we're looking at the measurement on the right of the pointer, the H is the height, and we're going to move it to so it hits 1 inch. We're going to drop. Okay, in the text frame we're going to type featured. We're going to hit return shift, and that is a soft return, so it just brings the line down. It doesn't create a new paragraph. And then we're going to type blossoms. Now we're going to apply a paragraph style. We're going to click on the paragraph styles panel, and we're going to click on the right flush title. So if you don't see it, you can scroll down, and it's below what it is now, which is the photo caption. We're going to click on the right flush title. It converts the type to a pre-saved paragraph style. We're going to learn a lot more about styles coming up, but just know that they exist. Next, we're going to click on our black selection tool and double click the bottom middle handle, and it hugs the bottom of the text. We're going to zoom over to page 1, and we're going to click and we're going to drag, and that will get us close to Botanical Gardens Worldwide. You'll notice that there is I'm going to click the black selection tool. You'll notice that there's a red plus. If you click on the text box, there's a red plus in the lower right hand corner, and that says that there is overset text, which means there's more text than is being shown in the frame. We're going to click on the bottom handle of the text frame, and we're going to click and we're going to drag. We're going to bring down the text frame to about 6.5 inches, and there's a guide actually right there that's helping us and where to place it. So you can tell that it's 6.5 inches because of the vertical ruler on the left hand side. So bring it there and let go. You'll notice that the red plus that it was indicating the overset text is now gone. So now all the text is being shown in that text frame. Okay, so now we're going to reshape the text. So we're going to scroll up a little bit to fit the entire text frame into view, and we're going to choose the white selection tool or the direct selection tool, and we're going to click on the frame of the text frame, and you'll notice that the little points are hollow, and the white selection tool allows you to choose 1 point at a time. So if we click on the bottom right corner, we can click and we can select it, and we can click it and drag it, and it moves the text frame any direction that we want. We can open it up, we can do whatever we want, but in this case we're going to bring it in and do something a little like that. You'll also notice that the red plus is back, indicating that there is more text in the text frame than is being shown. We're going to click on the pen tool, and we're going to click on the click, hold, and drag, and we're going to click on the convert direction point tool. And now we will create an arc using the convert direction point tool. Okay, we're going to click on the point that we just changed, and you'll notice that it's a little hard to see, but there's a Bezier curve that's happening here, and what that is a curve that's allowing you to move the curvature of the shape with these handles that you see here. Again, it's hard to see the bottom one because of the image, but you will see that you can make a curve by clicking and dragging, and I can make the curve by clicking and dragging and changing the length of the handle. So we'll do something like that. So I just clicked and I dragged and then I let go. I can go back to my direct selection tool, my white selection tool, and click on the point again, click and hold and drag, and allow all of the type to be exposed, And when you'll notice down at the bottom there's a little red plus, and as I'm clicking and dragging that single point, the little red plus goes away. So now I know that all of my text is being shown. Okay, now we can go ahead and hit save. So Command S or Control S